What's up, guys? I'm going to try to keep this video as short as possible but as informative as possible. So when I got started with my business, I thought that my booth, 100 centimeter booth translating to 40 inches, was going to fit in my Camry. Boy, was I wrong. So I ended up renting a van every single weekend, and that was cutting into my profits, and it created a headache because I had to drive to get the van, drive back, put gas in it, do my thing, take it back to the dealership, and wow, it ate up a lot of time and money. So now this is my solution, and I hope you guys who have either a small sedan or a very small truck can utilize this to tell yourselves, hey, you know what? I know how I'm going to start this business without having to buy a big old cargo van or having to buy a big SUV or just a larger van. Okay, guys? So don't let this thing hold you back. So this is what you can do. You can go over to U-Haul, and U-Haul will install a 2-inch tow hitch onto your small car, your small sedan, or your very small SUV. So now, guys, I have this, man, look at this setup right here. So this right here, I'm able to fold up just like this here. It doesn't take up any space. It doesn't look all weird, right? And you can also fold it down, and as I'm folding it down, it opens up just like this here. I like the way this opens up because it has 14 inches of height. So when I put my boxes inside, I don't have to worry about my boxes flying out. Now on top of that, I'm using this this is called a ratchet tie down by the brand Husky. Here, I'll go ahead and show it to you guys right here. I'm going to go ahead and put everything that I'm showing you guys in the description box below to make it easy for you just to click on that. So I bought these. This is about 16 feet long, and so I'm showing you guys how to use this right here, how to tie down these boxes in place just to make sure everything makes it to the event. Now, one thing I really liked about this case right here is the fact that I can fold it up and fold it down and close it up just like this. It's really that easy. I wanted to share this video with you guys just because this right here, this investment, is going to save me a ton of money, which means that I'm going to make a second video showing you guys how much money I'm making now per event for the fact that I no longer have to go rent a van, and on top of that, how much time I'm saving. And I want you guys to get a really good understanding of how much money you can potentially make either with one 360 booth or a digital photo booth. In fact, since I want you guys to save money, once again, my suppliers are listed in the box below in the description. These are the suppliers that I dealt with personally. One of them is Cindy, and then the second one is Jeremy. I bought equipment for both of those suppliers. I trust those suppliers, and I've been doing business with them for the last year. So thank you guys for helping me out with my business and helping me out with the community as well. I hope you guys find this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye.